Hello, hi, and welcome back to a new video. Today I will show you how to generate a CV like this from a tool 100% free, and it's amazingly good, and every single thing will be done here in the website in this page without anything else. So as you can see here, the tool is in fair.directory.com. I will put the link in the description box, so don't worry, but also I will put it in the first comment. So as you can see here, you will go a little bit down and you will find an editable CV here. For example, if you want to change the name here, just write your name. Let's say um, Emily Lolo, whatever. And here you can put your profession, whatever, let's say teacher. And here you can change your phone number, your email, your LinkedIn, and the city and the country you are in. But here also you can put the professional summary of yourself. You will put the result driven of your experience, whatever the field you're working in, etc. Here you will put your work experience. As you can see here, you have only this role. How to add another role? You will just come here and press add, and another one will be added automatically. And here also everything is changeable. Every single thing is changeable, which is amazing. But also if you want to remove a role, you can just do this. Click remove role, and as you can see, it's removed. Amazingly good. Okay, it's the same thing for education. Here, as you can see, you just have one. If you want to add, you can add it, and it's amazingly good. So easy to use. Very, 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 very amazing. All right, the skills, you can also add skills here, but you can just remove one by one from here and add one from here. But also, if you don't have certifications, for example here we do have another field, you can just remove this section from here, and as you can see, it's removed. If you have projects, you can add more than one project, of course, and if you don't want it, just remove the section too. And here also you have the language section. Here you can add whatever you want, and you can change also the level. As you can see here, there is native, beginner, intermediate, advanced, and fluent. So it's really good, but also you can, of course, add another language here. And the best thing in this tool is it is ATS friendly. And if you don't know what is an ATS, you can just read these comments here, but also you can go a little bit down to know more about the ATS CV and why it is better than the normal CVs, because I will just tell you in few words. So every company has its own systems, and to because when they post a position, a lot of people they postulate, right? And let's say that they have 200 CVs. How could they read all of them in like a few or short moment? So they do have a system. They put the CVs in an ATS system or CV system to check if this CV is good for this position or no. By the way, this tool has their own checker. So if you want to, so this is the checker that I'm talking about. So they will put your CV here and then paste the job description that they put. Of course, not this one, but this can help you to know if the position is good for you or not. So you will put the CV, you will put the job description, and then you will analyze it to know if your CV will be read by the system and by the HR after the system or no, for not wasting your time and just waiting for something that they will not read. Okay, so as I told you, this tool is so good, so amazing. The last thing, so after finishing every single thing, you will go a little bit up and then download the PDF from here. As you can see, it will come like that, and that save, I have it in French, yeah, because I have the same one. And then you will have it, as you can see, this one, of course, with your info and stuff. So the tool is really so good. And don't forget, like, if you want to check if your CV is really ATS or not, just test this tool too. I will do a video about it anyways, because it's really good and it gives very, very accurate results, because it's based on keywords and stuff, so that's why it's good. But also, they are giving a lot of free CV tips and templates. So if you want to get this, you can write them your email, because I did, and they gave me a lot of templates of a lot of CVs. If you didn't like this, you can choose one of the templates they will give you. So yeah, it's amazingly good. For now it's free, so just go and get it, because before they make it paid, everything is going paid. Okay, they have a pro version. I think this is the paid version, so this is free, I think. So yeah, it's amazingly good. And also I will do another video about the cover letter generator. But yeah, this is for today. I hope it helped you. As I told you, it's really fast, so good. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget again to be grateful for everything you have, for every tool that we have in the internet, for every single thing in our day. So see you and bye bye.